be the stopper. Should we missed the stopper? No, it could be the stopper. Could be the stopper.
And here we are, west of a crossing in South Wales. So we should be having the 800 this closure. So from that way. And going out Port Albert Parkway, so it might be 800 017 and 800 005 coming back. Unless there's another one from that direction. No, yeah. But it's good to be meeting up with South Coast Level Crossings again. He's on the bridge. Should be coming.
Yeah.
Should be coming.
Yeah, we're just doing nothing. So we...
Here it comes.
It's the stopper.
It's not smell. That's the train before the 800. It's another double stay. That's the train before the 800.
Yeah. Is it? Or is it stopping?
That's going straight through. We've already seen the stopper. We've seen the stopper. Swansea 229. That's the Chester train.
That's the Chester train. 5 minutes for the 800, though.
Yep.
Yeah, less than 5 minutes, isn't it?
Next train's coming from that direction. As you can see the station down there. Not sure if you can see it on my screen. Down there. I mean, I can upload these videos really fast because there's super fast broadband.
This is where you use the other one. You can pause it until the train comes.
Yeah. It's coming from... The 800 is coming from that direction.
You're sticking so long. This is going to be too long,
Well, I mean, there's super fast broadband.
No.
Oh, it's a green HST. It's a green power car HST.
Yeah.
Nearly like the one we saw yesterday with the green set on it with 2 blue power cars. Let's hope it's fully green. Nope, it's not fully green. No. Oh! It's 43005 and 43002. Anyway, that's one train. So the 800 is next.